Your Honor, can we take one at a time? We have a gentleman here for corrections. What's his-
Sure. Is it on this warrant calendar or something else?
Sure, Your Honor.
Next on the calendar will be Lavin Sarkanovic.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mladen Sarkanovic? Well, I don't know what I'm sorry, it says new case. Where's the paperwork? Really? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm going too fast here. There's so many new cases today. Next case is Mladen Sarkanovic. Good morning, sir. Sir, you have an arrest warrant. It is from Indiana. The warrant was issued on May 7th of 2025 for stalking. One count, it looks like five counts for one case and 6 counts in another for stalking. There is no bond on this arrest warrant, and I need you to tell me if you want to waive or contest extradition. Waiver's the quickest way out of this jail. Indiana would have up to 30 days to come and pick you up. If they don't pick you up within 30 days, you get released. The other choice you have is to contest extradition, which means you want to fight the warrant. You're not fighting the charges, just a piece of paper that says you're wanted in Indiana. Then a lawyer would be appointed for you. If you cannot afford one, your lawyer, actually, they're going to come pick you up 30 days after your Miami case is closed if you want to waive extradition. So whenever you close that misdemeanor out, you can be brought back here. They'd have 30 days to pick you up, or you can contest extradition, fight the warrant, and you'll be held here up to 90 days. So what do you want to do, waive or contest?
What happens in either case? I mean, when am I free to go?
You're not going to be free to go. You're going to Indiana one way or the other. If you
Okay.
waive, you'll go there quicker. If you want to contest, your lawyer can fight the warrant, but chances are it's you when you're going to go.
Okay, I'm gonna wait.
That's a smart choice. You get out of here quicker. Your Miami case is set tomorrow? Or
Yeah,
no?
but I don't know. Can I just tell you something? That stalking case is for me trying to talk to my kid.
It doesn't, I know, but it's not me. They did it in Indiana. It's not me. I have no say over it. You got to talk to the
Gotcha.
judge in
But it's
Indiana.
illegal because the Hispanic gang has set all this up. That's criminals.
Yeah, I hear
I
you.
was trying to talk to my child. You might think I'm crazy. I'm not crazy, but all I wanted to do was talk to my kid. This
So
was
don't
done in
talk
Indiana by
about the
criminals.
charges. They can always
Okay.
get a copy of this and hold it against you. When's his local case set, corrections?
It's going later on, Your Honor.
Today or tomorrow?
Today.
So what is it for?
Entering park after hours.
Okay, let them know you have this warrant in Indiana and not to tell them you have to resolve that case before you can be sent to Indiana. Maybe they'll dismiss it, okay? Let the judge there know you have the warrant from Indiana. Let's set it tomorrow to see if he closes it out. Reset 9/3.
Is it a waiver, Your Honor?
He waived. Yes, he did waive. Okay, have a nice day, sir. Next is Precious Jackson.
Present, Your Honor.
Hi, Miss Jackson. You were arrested on a warrant from Texas. The warrant was issued on March 19th of 2025. It says felony, abandon, endanger child. I don't know, with intent I don't know, it says INDV with intent return, 2 counts. So there's no bond on this warrant from Texas. I need you to tell me if you want to waive or contest extradition. Waiver is the quickest way out of this jail. Texas would have up to 30 days to pick you up. If they don't pick you up within 30 days, you get released. The other choice you have is to contest extradition, which means you want to fight the warrant. You're not fighting the charges, just a piece of paper that says you're wanted in Texas. A lawyer would then be appointed for you if you cannot afford one, and your lawyer will be able to challenge the legal sufficiency of a governor's warrant, but you'll be in our jail at least 90 days. So those are what do you want to do, waive or contest? I can't hear a thing.
I guess wait, they have 30 days to come.
Up to 30 days. Texas is pretty quick. They usually come within 15 days. And she was on a cruise and lives there. You want to waive and get out of here quicker. It's what most people do.
Yes.
It's a smart choice. Waiver, no bond. Reset date will be September 17th to make sure she's picked up. Please make sure you sign the waiver paperwork at the jail. It just means you agree to be transported to Texas. Have a good day, ma'am. Now we have Jose Ravello Mendez. He's at Metro West 2. He needs a Spanish interpreter.
Interpreter,
Sir,
Spanish.
good morning, sir. You have a local case pending here, an open felony. The next court date is September 8th.
Señor, tiene un caso pendiente de delito mayor, un caso local pendiente. Es un caso, la próxima cita es el 8 de septiembre.
We're going to reset this case September 9th to see if you've closed out your Miami case. Have a nice day.
Vamos a fijar el caso para el 9 de septiembre para ver si ha cerrado el caso de Miami el 8 de septiembre. ¿Está bien?
El
Ya
problema
puede
es que yo no sé qué caso está diciendo ya, porque el problema es que la policía aquí está haciendo lo que quiera últimamente ya. Porque yo
Ya.
ni me le mandé a la policía, ni nada de lo que están diciendo la policía, me están poniendo una felonía que eso no lo he visto yo ninguna vez y no entiendo nada.
¿Quieres
me busque la prueba,
quiere
que la policía...
¿Me
A
dejas
ver,
traducir para que ella te pueda entender?
sí,
Okay,
traduce.
gracias. So yeah, I don't know what's going on because the problem is that the police is doing whatever they want, here because I never even, I never called the police and none of the things that the police is saying is true. It's a felony that is, I've never ever seen that before.
Sir,
So
that case isn't before this court. You need to talk to your public defender on that case.
señor, ese caso que usted está hablando no está ahora presente en este caso. Usted va a tener que hablar con el abogado que está presente. Ese caso no está presente aquí en esta corte. Tiene que hablar con el abogado de oficio. ¿Está bien?
All right. Reset September 9th to see what's going on with this felony.
Vamos a fijar entonces para el 9 de septiembre para ver lo que está pasando con el caso de delito mayor. ¿Está bien?
Have a nice day.
Que tenga buen día.
Next is
Ya puedes
Frank
llamar al carcelero.
Perez Ayala Quash, Tedrick Lee. Mr. Lee here.
Ya puedes llamar al carcelero para salir de ahí.
Tedrick Lee is a transfer. He's a Quash.
De delito
He's a
mayor no
Quash.
entendí nada, pero bueno.
Juan Restano.
I'm here,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Restano, hey, sir. Good morning. Looks like they need an extension of time. They're requesting an extension of time from Texas to pick you up for 11 days. The 30th day is the 21st. They're not getting their 11 days.
You should be picking up at the 19th.
They're going to pick you up hopefully by the 19th. They need an extension of
But
time.
my due date was the 15th. I signed on the 15th. You could look at the
Let me
paper I
see.
signed.
I'm going to look at the paper. I always do.
All right, thank you.
He came in on the 15th. He had locals. He waived. He bonded out on the 20th. On August 22nd, we wanted to see if his misdemeanor was closed. His locals were closed on August 22nd. When did he bond out, corrections?
On the
Your
15th.
Honor, I have an 8/21, he closed his case. He came here on the 22nd and he was set for report 9/8/25.
So did he post a bond on it as well?
He posted the bond and after he posted the bond, then he took a withhold
When did he post the bond? What day?
19.
On the 19th?
Yes.
No, the 15th.
No, they're telling me the 19th. 1 minute.
He posted bond on the 19th and then on the 21st, he took a withhold adjudication and then on the 22nd, he came here in front of you and he was set for report 9/8/25.
Okay, so if he posted the bond on the 19th, oh, it doesn't matter when he posted the bond because you were being held no bond here. It's when your case is closed. It was closed on the 22nd, so we have to go, and then you're brought here on 8. When did he close at 8:22, right?
He closed at 8/21 and then 8/22, he came in front of you and you set for report 9/8/25.
Yeah, it's from the 21st. So that's fine. They're gonna pick you up by the 19th, which is like the 30th day. I'm sorry about that. If you're still here I'll set it. When's the 19th? A weekday?
Right.
Let me set it the 19th. Reset September 19th.
Thank you.
And if you're still here then, they should be picking you up by then and hopefully you'll be gone.
All right, thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, may we recall page 7, Mark Duberson? He's here. He does wish to waive.
Okay, sure. Then I gotta do my in-state calendar while we're running behind. Mr. Duverson, what's going on? You want to waive extradition, get out of your court?
Yes.
Say, I want to say it loud. Say it like you're speaking to somebody in the stadium.
Yeah, we can't hear you.
What should I do? What should I say? So that's my first time. I don't
I
know.
want to waive. I want to waive. That means the extradition, you only have 30 days to pick you up, okay?
Yes.
But say it in a voice like deep, like loud.
I want to waive.
I think they're working with this one.
They don't pick you up within 30 days, I'll release you. The reset 9/17. Please make sure you sign the waiver.
Yana, we can't hear you.
Oh, I'm doing all that talking. He can't even hear me. I'm so sorry. All right, Mr. Duverson, waiving's a smart choice because you get out of the jail quicker. The reset date here is September 17th to make sure you get picked up. We set it in 15 days. They have 30 days to come and pick you up. And if they don't pick you up within 30 days, I'll release you. Okay, sir? Please sign the waiver paperwork at the jail. It just means you agree to go to Texas. And you should be able to get a bond, hopefully, once you get there. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. No, that's it for the warrants. Thank you, Miss John.
Have a good day, Jen.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Next case is the in-state warrants. Tasha Posse. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. You have an arrest warrant from Broward County. It was issued on, 1 second, I gotta turn the page. Your warrant was issued on February 28th of 2025 for violation of probation. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Unfortunately, there is no bond, and you're going to have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up. The reset date here is September 17th to make sure you are transported. They usually come once a week. You shouldn't have to wait that long. Have a good day.
Okay.
Next we have is Rachel Bem.
She coming, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Stand here, look at the judge.
Next, all right, hello, Miss Bem. You have an arrest warrant from Broward County. The warrant was issued August 30th of 2025. It says no lodging on city property, so $150 bond. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. If you can post a $150 bond, you can get out of jail. If you don't have any money for a bond, you will have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up. The reset date here is September 17th to make sure you either posted a bond or were transported to Broward. Have a nice day.
Hold on, I can ask you a question.
Yes, of course.
Would there any way I could possibly maybe get like what is it? It's like pretrial probation or something for this?
So I can't do that. You got to ask the judge in Broward County. You got to see it's a different
The-
county. Yeah.
Can I get a lower bond for here?
I can't adjust their bond. That's up to Broward, but $150 is pretty low. It's not a lot. It's not low if you don't have any money, but it's compared to some of the bonds they set, that's a pretty low bond. Anyway,
Yeah,
good luck to you.
it is pretty low. It's difficult using the phone sometimes.
No, I know. I'm sorry, ma'am. But you know what? They usually come once a week for Broward, and it's the beginning of the week. So hopefully you'll go see a judge sometime this week, and then hopefully that judge will just release you. Okay?
Yeah, because I don't even understand the charge really.
Well, you're not allowed to lodge on city property. That's why.
Would I like sleep somewhere?
Yeah.
I don't even go to Broward like that. But okay. Have a good evening. Thank you.
Have a good one. Next is Stephen Foster at Metro West 4. Good morning, sir. You have a warrant from Orange County. It was issued May 12th of 2016. The charge is domestic battery, failure to appear for a battery, and it says no bond. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Orange County has up to 15 days to pick you up. The reset date here is September 17th to make sure you are transported there. And the public defender's office will answer. You can call them with any questions, okay?
Yes.
Have a nice day. Next is Alistair Martin. Good morning, Mr. Martin. Page
Time to break this one down. This extradition hearing felt like a masterclass in balancing high-volume efficiency with a dash of humanity, courtesy of Judge Mindy Glazer. She was in full control, working through a packed docket with her trademark mix of patience and no-nonsense clarity. Each defendant was given the same calm explanation of their options: waive extradition and likely leave the Miami jail within 30 days, or contest it and stay put for at least 90 days while their attorney challenges the paperwork. Glazer kept her tone warm yet firm, often reiterating, waiving is a smart choice, with a touch of encouragement. Even in moments where she had to correct herself or repeat instructions, her demeanor never slipped into frustration. The vibe was all about fairness and order, with just enough humor sprinkled in to keep the morning moving smoothly. Among the defendants, Mladen Starkinovich stood out. He initially struggled to understand the process, expressing that the stalking charges stemmed from attempts to talk to his child. Judge Glazer, empathetic but bound by her role, reminded him not to discuss charges in open court and focused on the procedural decision at hand. Her calm insistence that you're going to Indiana one way or another was a practical yet respectful way of cutting through his anxiety. Precious Jackson's case was also notable. Despite technical issues making it hard for her to hear, the judge patiently walked her through the waiver process. In contrast, Mark Duverson brought a lighter moment when Judge Glazer encouraged him to say it loud, like you're speaking to someone in a stadium, after he quietly confirmed his waiver. That mix of humor and professionalism kept things human, even when dealing with serious warrants. Attorneys and deputies played essential support roles, often stepping in with clarification on timelines, bond statuses, or reset dates. The back and forth over Tedrick Lee's pickup schedule showed just how detail-oriented the court staff had to be, carefully counting days and correcting misinterpretations of bond posting versus case closure dates. Despite these complexities, there was a real sense of teamwork among the clerks, corrections officers, and Judge Glazer, who managed the hearing with efficiency and care. The atmosphere was brisk, but never cold. Defendants like Jose Revello Mendez, who spoke through a Spanish interpreter, were given space to voice their concerns, even when those concerns veered into frustration about police actions. Glazer listened, responded through the interpreter, and kept him focused on the relevant timeline, demonstrating patience without letting the hearing derail. For less serious matters, like Rachel Bem's low-bond Broward County case, Glazer even sympathized with the hardship of posting $150, acknowledging that while it's pretty low, it's not low if you have no money. These empathetic touches made the courtroom feel approachable, despite the legal gravity of the proceedings. Overall, this session showcased Judge Glazer's seasoned ability to run a tight docket without making anyone feel like a number. The mix of professionalism, levity, and genuine care kept the atmosphere from becoming oppressive, even as she processed a long list of warrants. Defendants left with clear instructions, attorneys had everything set, and the system moved like clockwork. It's a great example of courtroom efficiency done right, and it's easy to see why hearings like these are fascinating to watch. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone.